2000 Sable. Powered by a 3.5-liter V6 that channels 263 horsepower to a 6-speed automatic transmission and the most spacious interior in its class, the Mercury Sable combines style, substance, and smarts. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power door locks, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.